Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make video like pro only with your iPhone camera. So the first thing you have to do, open your camera, and after that, if you are in the photo sections here, now you need to change into the video. And in this video you need to change this 30 frame rates into 60. And whenever you already did that, you just need to find the best angle. And after that, you just need to go click this special part and hold it to lock the focus, as you need to drag into the downside to get this kind of brightness. And after you're done, you can like start recording your video. And after you're done, you can directly do editing on this part. And the next thing you need to do is just go click it and go click this edit button, and you can do adjusting the color grade by click this part. And now you need to go into the every part or section of this color grade editing to edit your video. I'll suggest you to follow this instruction, but then everything is depend on the video quality that you have for the raw part. And yeah, I've been done, and here is the comparison between before and after doing the color grade. And after you're done, go click done, and you just need to wait until the preparations of the video is successfully and finished. It will take several times depending on the length of the video, and here is the result. So that's the way how to create video like a pro only with iPhone camera. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.